Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can get started with 3D in Godot game engine by creating a simple player. So it won't be any fancy player, I will keep things very simple. All you need to do, just create a Godot game project. I am using Godot 4.5 at the time of recording this video. Then here you need to just click on 3D scene, give it whatever name you feel like. I'll just give it as player. I'll command S to save. I'll save it over here. Then I'll just first you need to add a mesh instance 3D. Okay, so here is our mesh instance. You can give it whatever shape you feel like. So I'll just give it as, I don't know, maybe a cylinder shape. Okay, and now next thing is just click on these three dots. Make sure you add this sun to scene. Click on this button and then add this add environment to scene. So here you see this directional light as well as world environment. And finally you just add one camera as well, camera 3D. Now I'll just so here you can see the camera preview as well. So our camera is on top of our cylinder, that's why it is not able to see it. So I'll just move it back. So here you can see now our camera is able to see our cylinder. Now I can just move it up as well, just a little bit. Just here you can see the preview, and I can rotate it as well if I want. Okay, I think I can use this particular tool to okay, so something like this. Maybe I can move it a little bit up, or maybe move it little. Again, it's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, and I'll just use this rotate tool again. Okay, or what the hell just happened? Okay, I'll just select this. Okay, it has this rotate tool, yeah, something like this. Now one important property which I want to tell you about camera is, just go to, I think, transform. Yeah, make sure this top level is checked, because typically what happens is a camera is different from a player, right? So that's why we need to do this. Make sure this top level is checked. Then you can, now to move the player, you can just attach one script. So just click on your player, just click this particular option, just click on player.gd. Now here inside the process function you can just do anything. So if input dot is action pressed, okay, and I'll just do UI accept, which is for the enter key. Okay, and if that is done, then we just do position dot y plus equal to delta. Similarly you can change the rotation as well. So if you want, I'll just quickly show it to you. I'll just copy this, paste it over. If input dot is action pressed, and here we can just do UI left. Okay, and here I'll just copy this, and here we can just do rotate underscore z. Just rotate it on the z direction, z axis, and I'll just move it by delta. So yeah, now you can run it. So I'll just select the current scene as, and here if I just press enter, here you can see it is moving, and if I press on the left key, here you can see it is rotating. So yeah, that's how you can get started with 3D in Godot game engine by creating a simple player. Thank you for watching. Bye.